Didn't think I would start this video like this, but my apartment complex is so lame and full of pathetic, petty losers. I have to go rescue Sunday. So that's just how we're gonna start it. Finally at the place, bro. Make sure these up, bro. My goodness. Big shout out to DJ for the assist, helping me get my stuff right. Man, get y'all a team that has your back, man. Tyran with the assist, getting me my documents in time. DJ with the assist. Now, I guess we're about to test drive the car. Man, bro. I gotta limp this thing home. I don't like how it drives, obviously. These clowns freaking jerry-rigged my car to freaking get it on the tow truck. Y'all saw it barely started because the alarm was going off the whole time. They had to tow the car. And let me tell you why they towed the car is because y'all saw it on jack stands. But they said it was because it's over the line. Like, which is it? Because every time I work on my car, somebody's car is on a jack stand. Man, bro. Oh, how do I get this off the screen, dude? This junk is stuck on here. Like, I don't even know how to get that off. There we go. Easy as that. I'm about to pull over and make sure they ain't up, bro. Man, son. I'm not gonna lie. This is rough. So I don't know if I have to adjust this throttle body again because it won't let me go over 2,000 sometimes. It is extra loud though. I do need this thing aligned. Y'all see it shaking? Yeah, this thing is crazy. This car needs so much work. If I could just have like a secure place to just work on it with no BS happening all the time, bro, my channel would be far past where it's at right now, dude. So driving this thing, obviously the check engine light came on because of the cats, but I think I have an exhaust leak. So now that is something else I need to get under the car to check. But honestly, I'm gonna just wait till my boy gets back from town. My tire guy, he's on vacation, and I'm gonna try and take care of all of that right then and there, because it is impossible to do stuff in this city without complications. Like, if you don't have a shop or if you don't know a guy, it's simply not getting done. And I hate that that's where it's at, but that's just, it's forcing my hand to just make moves to just get out of here, bro. Like, I can't keep dealing with this. So I got an exhaust leak to fix. I gotta put the spark plugs in this thing because this thing is running terrible. And I need a fuel pressure gauge. After that, we're getting tuned. Like, this sounds a lot more rough than what I was expecting, bro. It doesn't, I don't think it's supposed to sound like this. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to. But it is what it is.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Yeah, for sure. I have it's a leak. It's for sure a leak because it's not supposed to sound like this. So I got to make sure all my O2 sensors are tight, and we're just going to go from there.
Head southwest.
back to the school. Imagine, like, however bad y'all's day was, this happened to me while I'm at school. So we're pulling off rescue missions and I'm missing class. But we got Big Lex in the cut. She's all busted and dirty, just like this thing, but it's okay. We still gonna get it in.
Head northwest.
It don't matter. And everything is fine. I'm about to continue on with my day. We're gonna continue on with this video in a few days. Man. So my wheels just got delivered today as I'm at the gym. And I'm trying to rush to go do the dash. So that's nice. I didn't really want to start the video off with that nonsense. Everything that I was gonna put on the car has come to a halt. Everything I had to fix has now come to a halt until I get everything situated. I want you to open it. Yeah, you open it. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. They here. I didn't expect them to ship so fast.
Open the thing?
Yeah, pull the whole thing out. Pull the whole thing out. Wait, we need to check if it's not damaged either. Yeah. You good. Go ahead. Don't be scared of it.
Is it black?
Yeah.
Or silver? It's black.
It's black.
What's this? The cover?
Protection. Mm-hmm. What is it? Stickers? These stickers?
What is this?
I don't know. That's all like to protect the rim. And it better work. Ooh. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It was tough taking them clips just now, because I'm not gonna lie, this is hideous. This is horrendous. Y'all know it, I know it. I'm not gonna pretend like this looks good, but I can already see the comments. And before y'all start typing, I know I say a lot of times, I said a lot during the Lexus build to do the fitment first, dial in the fitments first. If y'all watched the last couple of videos for this Mustang, I said I was going to break that rule. This is the only reason I was going to break the rule, because I wanted to get the wheels first and then drop it right after. So while y'all are typing the comments, I need y'all to understand, this is not going to sit as is. Like, this is literally just one stepping stone to another stepping stone. Yes, these wheels look small. That's because I got rubber band tires. I thought I can fit the same fitment from the Lexus on the Mustang. And while the tires look small, I did get the perfect size wheel to line it up right there. So just know, I do know what I'm doing. It is going to go in steps. That's just how it is. And it sucks for me, because this is what I'm stuck with in the meantime until the coilovers get here. And there's a lot more stuff I got to do with the coilovers, which is why I just decided to just get the wheels first. With that being said, yes, this thing looks a monster truck. Yes, this thing looks like a monster truck. It does not have good fitment at all, not even remotely. This looks really bad. The front wheels look like a very tiny person versus the back wheels. Yes, there are radials on the back wheel for a stock car. That's not the point. The car is getting built. So I'm getting all the pieces right now. So yes, this is all for stock power right now. It's not really stock. I'm just going to say it's stock because it's not built. And if it's not built, it might as well be stock. It's a 3-valve. So yes, this does look goofy right now. Me personally, I love it because I can see the vision already. Y'all see what the Lexus look like now. Y'all saw what the Lexus looked like with the yellow wrap. I'm not doing a yellow wrap with this. Don't even know. This is going to get dropped 3 inches. So just like off the bat, 3 inches drop, boom. This problem is fixed right now. The next problem is if I'm sticking with these really small tires. And I only did this simply for rotational mass, guys. This wheel is 19 pounds and some change. 19 and some change. It's a lightweight wheel. It does not look like it, that is pretty light. They were relatively easy to just carry and walk around. And y'all already know about the bumper and whatnot. I'm not about to review the whole build, but I'm reviewing the main problems that I see right now that we all see collectively. This is pretty nasty to look at. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But the point is, it's a work in progress, all right? This is an actual work in progress. This is, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's a big milestone because it took a very long, very strenuous, stressful time to get to this point. And while this point isn't look, it really doesn't look satisfying to me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Them little cinematic pieces I had to put in, that was rough. I'm like, man, where can I record this thing to where it don't look as hideous? Like I'm trying to get this shot right here. And all you see is this gap, bro. Like this all you see. This is all you see, bro. Come on, son. Y'all know I don't want to record that, but I also don't want to go 3 weeks without a video, all because I don't have coilovers. So this is where we're at. If y'all see the vision and y'all like where this is going, like, subscribe. That's all I'm gonna say. The rest of y'all, subscribe anyway, because I know y'all want to see where this is going too. So y'all can keep hating on it, but that's okay, because we all gonna rock and we gonna get this money, you feel me? I'll see y'all later. Y'all be blessed. Stay tuned for the next video. We got a lot happening for this car. So as y'all can see, we got this far.